All right, I'm gonna attempt to run this. This is how my support post works. Still working on a retraction system. Not real happy with this just yet, but been through a few iterations. So essentially, I've got a short stop there. Did I raise it? Drops my step. And I've got hydraulic cylinders. It takes about 10 pounds of force on those lift cylinders to open this up. Boom, I put a pin in the bottom so the wind can't grab it. Pull the top over. All right, there you go, ready to roll. And I had to do a good bit of experimentation. I didn't want those cylinders to really hold it up or make it difficult to close. I just wanted it to help. So it got it down to about 10 pounds, you know. So now when I'm getting ready to retract the thing, I'll put these. This helps clear the path. There's a I tried to make it so that there was an area for these things to move through. So when I'm ready to retract the lid now, I'll do basically the opposite. I'll push it up, they go up, this comes down. I set my temporary support back in the center. Drop the bungee on each side. Like that. And raise my door, close my door, which becomes a step. It's pretty cool. And then set it on down. I got the latches off the rebuilt. Boom, 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 boom. Ready to roll.